Look at you, you're so calm. I'm gonna see if you've got any more poops before I change you. Look at that big bright window.
Oh. Have you found your voice? Huh? Because my brother told me about these picture things.
Uh-oh. Bella's got up to do? Not. Oh, bless you. Oh, that's what was going to happen.
There you
Captured
go.
on film. Look at that. All right.